Okay, today's already Saturday. We got one more day here to go. So it's today's the 2nd. And it is already, what time is it? Let's see. It is 12:02. We're just barely sort of coming out because it's been chilly out here. So at least the sun is out. It is windy, that's what makes it a little colder. Y'all chilling outside, girls? I know it is. If only the wind would stop. I was looking for Daddy. I was looking for you.
For me or him?
No, you. I was wondering. I thought you were over there fishing, Daddy. And I said, where did Puppy go?
Yeah, I'm sitting here where there ain't no wind blowing.
I know. Yeah, I know that wind is horrible. They're not gonna fish over here no more? Okay. You got some more fish? Nuh-uh. Just now? Let me see.
You can't really see them.
Yeah.
They're like little baby ones.
They're by babies. Oh gosh. Ay, cochino. Yeah, it's okay, baby. The water's cold. You can't go wash your hands, cochino.
Cochino.
That spot worked.
You got little bitty fish. Come, you want to sit with us over here, honey? Sit with me?
I'm gonna go finish.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. I'm getting warm, girl. I'm not gonna have to take off my. Really? I'm sitting over here and the sun is getting warm.
How you know?